Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change your SSID. First, you have to plug your router into your computer. Once connected, press Windows R and type CMD. Now, type ipconfig. You will see your IP address and gateway. Copy your IP gateway and go to Google. Once in Google, paste your IP gateway and press enter. And just type your password. Then click wireless to change your SSID and just change your SSID. If you change it, just click save. Now we will check our internet. You can see it, we successfully changed our SSID. And now, we will check our internet ping. Just like in the first step, press Windows R and type CMD. And just type ping and then your IP address.